Hey, this is Abu Kalam. In this video, I'm going to share you how to exactly create a game using Chat GPT in few minutes. So if you are a beginner, you don't need to know about coding, example of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. You don't need those type of programming language. So I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial. Please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second because every second are very important. First I'm going to chat GPT, then type a give me a basic snake game code with HTML, CSS, Java. Just wait few seconds. Chat GPT create a snake game for me in just few seconds. Okay, at first I copy this code, then I'm going to Visual Studio Code. It's a absolutely free software. You can install. Just go to google.com, then install this software. Then you need to create a 3 index.html, then script.js and style.css. So I paste here first on, then I need to save this code. Just save, then I right button click, open in my default browser. Just click here. Wow, you can see this is the game create a chat GPT for me. So I again command a chat GPT that and then why and aka snake out going out of box, then with score. Just command you what type of website, what type of game, what type of etc do you need right now. Just command chat GPT right for you. It's absolutely free. 3.5 absolutely free. You don't need any payment, you don't need any card requirement. Just go here. I'm going to here, then copy this code, then going to again Visual Studio, then I delete before code, just paste here, then I need to save, then right button click, open in default browser. So you can see this is screw box